Howdy, Chris here from Robofuzz Wrenches. Today we're working on Mando, my 2021 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Bison. We're going to be doing some appearance mods to it because if you're like me, you can't leave a vehicle stock. So we'll be doing some minor things that you can do to personalize your truck, and hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. For today's project, the appearance mods we'll be doing include replacing the chrome Colorado emblems with the blacked out emblems, adding the tailgate insert to the recessed portion of the tailgate. We're going to debadge the rest of the tailgate. And then for the wheels, we're going to add these Lugnut covers to black out those lug nuts. And then I haven't decided yet which center cap I'm going to run with. This is what comes on the Bison, which has the AEV logo on it. The truck already has the AEV logo in a zillion places, so I'm not going to leave that on there. So here's the choices I've come up with. I've got this brushed finish Chevrolet embossed logo, a matte black Chevy emblem, and then this black gloss with the outline Chevy bow tie. So I've been running this one a little bit, but I think for the full blacked out matte look, I may go with this one. So I think first of all, we're going to start with the wheels. And we're going to go ahead and black out the lug nuts using these silicone covers or vinyl covers. And these are the Color Lugs Lug Cap 21 to 23 millimeter 25 pack. I'll put a link in the description to my Amazon affiliate store if you're interested in picking those up. This is substantially cheaper than buying the GM black lug nuts, which are about 200 bucks. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is change out the center cap. Now, you may be thinking, it's a lot of work to take the wheel off to change out the center cap, but I've got a hack for that. This is a simple suction cup that is used to hang things like on a window. It normally comes with a metal clip that goes around this nub that hangs your picture or whatever decoration you've got. And I'm going to use this pair of pliers. So what you want to do is moisten the inside of the suction cup, press it on, grab this nub with your pliers, boom, easy. All right, go ahead and put the matte black Chevy center cap on. Just snaps in place. And then the lug nut covers that we talked about, I just slide on. And boom, the look of that wheel has been changed quite a bit. There's the wheels blacked out. I think it looks pretty good. And our next job is going to be the tailgate and then the door emblems. Okay, for the tailgate insert, first thing we need to do is clean this out thoroughly. So I've got some denatured alcohol here on this shop towel. I did run the truck through the car wash, but in order for this to adhere properly, it really needs to be clean. You can see how much came off. test fit this before you take off the adhesive. All right, I think we're ready to put the C on. Go. All right, for the H, I'll make sure it's right side up because it's not equal length on these sides. So if you try and put it on this way, it's not gonna work. Done. All right, now we're gonna be removing the Colorado emblem, the chrome one here, and we're not gonna replace it on the tailgate. All I want on the tailgate is the black embossed Chevrolet script. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and heat this up with a heat gun. Keep it moving. Don't want it to overheat the paint. Get that adhesive kind of gummy. My shop dog helpers here trying to get in the middle of this. I'm going to try and keep them out of it. Fishing line here, we're going to use that. All right. All right. Now we gotta get this adhesive off, and for that I have a 3M eraser wheel we're gonna give a shot. All right, I got the 3M eraser wheel chucked up in my drill here. Let's see how this works. Just a little goof off, and that ought to take care of it. All right. Like you listening earlier? And there we have it. All right, now it's time for the doors. Since I'm not putting one of the black Colorado emblems on the tailgate, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Put it on the existing emblem. And that's gonna give us a reference of where the new emblem's going to go when we take this one off. All right, repeat the same steps. Heat it up and use the fishing line to get it off. All right, and here's the beauty of doing things the way we did with using that other styrofoam guide. So peel off the back so the adhesive is exposed, leave it in the styrofoam, and then you just line it up with your tape. And press it on. And then you can pull it off. Pull your tape off and boom. Done. All right, once again, we're gonna use the styrofoam guide from the new emblems. Put it on the emblem we're taking off so we can mark it with tape. And then use the heat gun. the clear film on the outside. We're just going to peel off the back, which is what goes against the paint. And just line it up on your tape line. And press the letters on. Then you peel off the clear. And boom. There we go. Wheels, door emblems, and tailgate. Well, that concludes today's appearance mods on Mando, the 2021 Colorado. I hope you enjoyed it, and catch us next time. Take care. Hey, Pat, can I buy an O? There are 9 O's.